Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your Cheat app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings here, so then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on language here. When you just click here on language, so then it's going to take you to this list, and here you click here on app language. So then here can you select language here on this list on your Cheat app. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.